Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Aquarius. We'll be picking few cards for your daily energies, for your career situation, and for your love energies, Aquarius. And I'll be picking one card from the Rumi Oracle deck. So that is your general guidance today, guys. So that may or may not relate to your situation, but it is what you feel, some thoughts or some confusions you have regarding some situation. So that card will answer all that, guys. So we will open the cards as we proceed into the reading, Aquarius. This is your Rumi card, so we will open that card. At last I'll place it here for your daily energies, Aquarius. Queen of Wands, Eight of Wands, and King of Pentacles in reverse. So with these cards, guys, the energy for you all is that you are a person of great creativity and strength, guys. You see clearly what you need and what you want to pursue, and you are able to do that. You have that clear perception, and you are a very helpful person. That is what I see here. You have a clear view of things in your situation. It may relate to your career or your relationship, and you are a dedicated person. Whatever actions you take up, you have that concentration and that devotion in your work or in your personal life. Whatever you do, you handle things in an effective way. That is what I see here, guys. And also, this is a time of great growth, guys. Maybe in your career or in your personal life, you are beginning, you are stepping into that long, some deeper commitment, some journey you have taken up for yourself. Maybe it may be some projects, or it may be in your personal life, this commitment with this person. Something, it is giving you hope, and it is gaining momentum day by day. So you are stepping into some new beginning in your life, some growth you are seeing today. So it may relate to your work situation or your personal life, guys. Maybe you are moving into that deeper commitment with this person. That is also what I see here. And maybe for some of you all, you may feel some kind of weakness, maybe because of your health, or maybe your financial position. Something, you may feel some kind of weakness today, guys. Or maybe some habits, you may have some habits that may be the reason for you to feel this way. But other than that, I see that it's a very minor thing, guys. Other than that, I feel here that you are moving towards the positive things. Whatever you wish for yourself is unfolding in a beautiful way here, Aquarius. For your career, what is the card? Let us see. It's Six of Cups. So with this card here, guys, again I see here that you are able to work with that communal spirit, that team spirit in your work situation. You are able to have that clear understanding, and you are able and people who are working with you have that good intentions, and they have that you share that visions or dreams, whatever you have for yourself, and it is all those dreams and whatever goals you need to achieve. Even your colleagues and your mentors, whoever you are working with, you share those dreams. So You have that clear understanding with the people whom you work with, guys. So very positive thing here for your work situation. What is the card for your relationship? The World in reverse. So with this card here, guys, maybe for some of you all, you may feel that in your relationship, you want to spend time, maybe you want to relax with this person, take a holiday, take a break, some kind of relaxing energy. Maybe you want to spend time with them in leisure, maybe, guys. May not be a trip or a holiday, just spending some time together at home, relaxing yourself and having a great time, great day of rest. Maybe that is what I see here, Aquarius. What is the card for your guidance? So this card may or may not relate to your situation, guys, but it may answer any deep thoughts or doubts or some kind of confusion you have today in your situation. And this guidance is something that will help us to make things better a little, guys. So we will see what is the card. Let's think about what questions we need to ask, and we will turn the card now, Aquarius. These cards must be read straight, guys. Layla, this is the card for you all. This oracle guidance for you all, Aquarius, in your situation is that this is the time of not knowing, guys. We do not know how things will unfold and how it will take us to that light. So it is a time of darkness, and we need not fear that. We need to enter this time willingly, because only when we do that we will find our way, find that path what we need to take up. So we just have to consciously allow this situation, guys, whatever is unfolding. So we may not know how things may turn up. So we may feel sad, we may be grieving, struggling, even depressed, feeling lost, and we may feel that we have lost this fight, we do not want to fight. So we have to just be the witness today, be a witness, watch how things are going, how things are unfolding. So let those things unfold as it should. So it is a time for that transformation that is happening within us, guys. So whatever that needs to take place will take place and will take us to that end of the tunnel where we see light, where we get that clarity. So you need not fear this time, you just have to accept it with open arms. So it will take us to light where we are destined to reach, guys. That is the oracle's guidance here. So maybe it is time for you to wait for things to fall into place, guys. That is the answer with this card. And that is the reading for today, Aquarius. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.